In a fun junk journal dream, DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends and creators from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And thanks for coming back. DJ here in the studio today with a quick unboxing of my latest curated Paper Rose Studio pack. This is a sponsored video. They do provide me with this pack as part of their design team. So I'm part of their 2025 design team. And so I get some goodies here. All the links for Paper Rose are down below. I'm going to do the unboxing and then stay tuned because I have another video coming up very soon where we put together a folio using their new folio kits. How fun are they? Okay, so let's get into it. It should be a short video. There's not a ton in here, but what is in here is really cute. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the mini Junk Journal Folio Kit. I can't wait. Okay, so let's start here with this gorgeous pack of the Strawberry Friends basic 12 by 12s. I love the 12 by 12s because I use them for so many things, but this one is super gorgeous. But, I mean, and their 12 by 12s are so cool. Let's see what's inside. Look at them. Look how cute. And their paper is such high quality. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we got the friends. Look at all the friends. The fox. They are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, and perfect. We love gingham. Some fun papers with a nice distress look. Oh my goodness, 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 look at the butterfly. Everything is so much prettier up close. So this SKU for the pack, because hold on, because they put the individual SKUs on here too, is 34884. And then they have, you can buy the pages separately. So this one has SKUs at the bottom too. More gingham. Look how lovely. Oh, these are so pretty. I love strawberries. And the greens. This is the last one. And then it repeats. Oh, but last but not least, look at all that fun coffee and cupcakes. Maybe it's boba. And then we get a repeat of all of the pages. So that is the 12 by 12s in the Friends Basic. So they have another 12 by 12 pack as well. I just got this one. And then on the back, they always have these sentiments that you can use for card making or whatever it is. So that is that. Let's get into this Junk Journal Folio. This one is called Afternoon in the Park, and they have a couple, so you can go check out what they have. This one is 34989, and it's 8 single-sided, 8.5 by 11 sheets of junk journal elements, die cuts, and scored to create a mini journal printed on 300 GSM cardstock. These look like just little minis of the folio pieces. Oh, these are already I don't have to cut them all out, guys. How fun is that? Yay me! So you get these components for the folio building. So this is the one we're going to make. I'll have to put some stuff on the back. But then you fold it up into a fun folio, and you can do it all different ways, because the pockets are separate and all these little bits are separate. Oh my goodness. Oh, so pretty. I love these. So all you writers and bookish people out there, this is a great pack. It's got little tags and little bits to kind of pull off and use throughout. I can't wait to make it. Okay, so that is Afternoon in the Park Mini Junk Journal Folio Kit. All right, what's next? Okay, we have more Strawberry Fields. So this is the Quick Cards collection. So this comes with a bunch of elements that you can use to make quick cards. And they're designed in such a way to kind of help you along. So if you're not a card maker like me, you can kind of use their components and backgrounds to kind of put together some really fun, cute, quick cards. These can be cut in half, or if you wanted to make a bigger card, these would also make great journal covers, wouldn't they? And then you can use some of these other elements to, yeah, I think these would make great journal covers. You can use the other elements to kind of put on top of it. See, they have these circles and little die cuts. So, but yeah, you make a horizontal journal or a card. So many fun papers. And they're double-sided. So you don't have to choose because you get extras. Okay, I think we saw all the papers. Oh, wait, maybe not. No, I think we didn't. There's more. But wait, there's more. Okay. I'll just go through everything here. And it's got this really pretty sheen to it. Almost like a satin UV. All right, and then you get this inspo sheet that gives you some inspiration for making cards. But these would also make great covers, guys. So if you get stumped with your journal covers, you can just get an old book and gut it, or just leave the pages in and make it an altered book, and then just put one of these on the cover. So then you get all these little bits, and they are embossed, so you can see there's like a shine on them. And then for the cards, all these little sentiments. Oh my goodness, look at the little mice with the strawberries. And stamps. Love this. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. What an adorable set. And guys, I saw that their products are now on scrapbook.com as well. How fun is that? So you can go check them out over there. Okay, so that is the Quick Card Collection 34914. Whoop. All right, and so I got this sentiment set. This is the so it's called Stack Sentiments, and it comes with, well, it's two separate items, but you get these dies, metal dies, and then these bigger words and smaller sentiments to kind of complement them. Well, you can see through the package. It's just dies that fit these bigger words. And then all these little sentiments. Father's Day, how are you, for all you do, hope you have a birthday, hope you have a, and then you can do happy whatever. Yeah, and it's got like wedding, Mother's Day, Easter, Christmas, for looking after us. So thank yous. So this one is 34389, and it's the Stack Sentiments dies. And this one is 34386 Stack Sentiments clear stamps. And it's number 2, so they have another one up there as well. I have the Flower Shop pack, so I got these tags and embossed pieces. So this is embossed die cuts, Flower Shop tags, and tickets. And this SKU is 33708. And it's just a bunch of extra goodies I can use with the papers I already have. Oh my goodness, those butterflies are gorgeous. I love the colors in this set. It's kind of like those muted tones. I love those so much. So this is 4 sheets. Each one is unique. And they have that embossing on them. So lots of uses for these. Also great for covers, cards, folios, all sorts of fun stuff. That. And then I also have this gorgeous Bees and Butterflies paper pack. I have a couple of these paper packs because you know me and bees and butterflies. So these are the quick card die cuts. So what we saw in the other pack, it's pretty much those, but you just get the die cut portion. And it's pretty similar. This is similar to the tags and tickets, except for this is for quick cards. So we get these circles and those sentiments, and they're all embossed. I love these bees. Oh my goodness. I had to make another bee journal. And there we go. And that one was Bees and Butterflies Quick Cards Die Cuts. The SKU is 33732. So there you have it, guys and gals. Lots of fun goodies. And stay tuned for the folio make with that Junk Journal Folio Pack, Afternoon in the Park. I will see you all in the next video. If you enjoyed this little show and tell, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!